Have you seen a river with live creatures like crocodile, but people still swim in that river? Today, I'm going to take you guys to Obo River in Nnewi, Anambra State Nigeria. This river called Obo is sacred. There are so many things about this river. It has so many live creatures like crocodile, fishes, but despite that, people still swim inside this river. There are so many things that are applied. People can swim there. It could be dangerous, but then if your hands are clean, if you don't have a bad heart, you can swim in this river and you will not be disturbed by the crocodile or the live creatures. That might sound funny, but then it is true. So many people come to this river to do so many things, to swim, to have fun, to look around, to see the crocodile. So today, I came here with my friends and I was lucky to see the crocodile come out to receive, we call it to receive breeze or to show himself to people, because this crocodile does not come out all the time. So we came and we were lucky to meet him coming out, and we see him with our two eyes, because this is something I've always wanted to see. Because I've heard stories about crocodiles being in this river, but I never believed until this day. You can see the crocodile there swimming around in the deep sides of the river. So, one thing about this river is, if you are coming to Obo River, make sure you have a pure heart. If you have a pure heart, anything you come to this river to do will surely be a success. If you are coming to swim, you're going to swim freely without being disturbed. If you are coming here to perform one thing or the other, you are going to do it without any obstacles. But if you have a bad heart, desist from coming to this river, because you are not going to get any positive result, and it could be dangerous for you to have a bad heart and come inside this river to swim. You can see the fishes here swimming around. Very clear, crystal clear river.
When I go see my mind on the body, I go on Nnewi on the one you can.
Obo State, when the bag on the state. What is life?
Onye akwụkwọ azụ. Onye akwụkwọ azụ. Vamos leje. Hey.
Yeah, look at brothers.